What's up guys? Welcome again for another episode of my channel. Okay, as you can see, I'm holding a pipette. Pipettes, okay? They sent to me this one because they said that the reading of their machine is not good. So they are thinking that this pipette may be the cause of not good result, okay? So we will see. Based on the clinical laboratory standards, these pipette should be or must be checked and calibrate every 3 months to 6 months. Okay, every 3 months better. Okay, because any discrepancies in volumes dispensed by this pipette may affect the result. Did you hear me? Huh? So we will check this one, okay? So in every pipette, okay, in every pipettes, whether this might be a human, deco, or human pipettes, there's always like this one, okay? So inside you can see this blue tip. Why? Huh? Because many laboratories are using this kind of tips, and many laboratories also they are using these kinds of tips. What's the difference? These tips have the grid here, meaning this volume from the tip until here is 1000 microliter. From this one, if you are using this one, how do you know that this pipette holds 1000 microliter? Where is the line? So your pipette should be calibrated, okay? Even though you are using this kind of tips, these blue tips, okay? Especially when you are using like this one, okay? For us, we are using this one, not this one, because this one is expensive. Okay, so we're using this one, but our pipette is calibrated not for every 3 months, but I do calibration for every 1 month, okay, for best and secured, okay, volume for our pipette to use here in laboratory. I don't like discrepancies in volume, especially in reagents, okay, because it might give a inaccurate results really. So in this box of pipette, actually we have here one pipette for human. And if we are using like this kind of pipettes, okay, Humapet, it can hold 100 to 1000 microliter. The problem of this pipette, for this tip, it can only be used in these tips, okay, but not in this tip. See, loose. As compared to this one, they are designed for these tips, okay? See the difference of the gap. So I will check this pipette that they sent to me, okay? This pipette. So I get this blue tip here from the human company. This is made in Germany, of course. Okay, I will check. See, I will show you. So this is their pipette, okay, that they said this is not good, okay. The volume should be until here, this line, okay. Okay, as you can see, the pipette is not holding good. There's a small gap. And it should not be like this one. The reagent is coming out, okay? The other one. Check. Oh, see? Even this one also. There is a discrepancy in volume, okay? That's why a result might not good result really. Before I will calibrate this pipette, I will clean first, okay? I will show you how to open and clean inside and how to adjust so that you will get the desired amount of this pipette to 1000 microliter, okay? I will fix one, okay? Maybe you're thinking, try the Humapet, okay? Okay, this one is the tip, and then I will use this Humapet. This is the one that I use also for calibration, okay? You see the line. Okay, and it holds the liquid very good because this pipette is expensive, you know. So this is how you adjust. I know not every laboratory have see. This one is very important, especially for those laboratory who is far from the city, and then the technician or CEO. And the technician is not easily accessible. How can your pipettes work like this?
very important for you to open your pipettes once in a while, 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. It depends on how frequently your pipette use.
See. Okay, still the same. Okay, so what are you going to do is adjust in this part. Do again. Still. Then do again. Okay. So okay, I will change the tip. New tip. This is the tube. Okay. See the volume. Okay. So okay, 1 ml. Okay, but still, even though that you already got the desired amount of this pipette, after using this blue tips, okay, you should have or you must be or undergo calibration. Okay, so I will calibrate this one so that it will give a reliable volume amount or specified amount that is being sucked. If, for example, in laboratory, there's a person who can who knows how to make or calibrate any pipettes, then so be it to use this one. Okay, so no problem from that one. Okay, So again guys, thank you for watching. I hope that it helps you, especially working in laboratory, that have doubt in their pipettes. Okay, so calibration is the key. Okay, you should have to calibrate based on the clinical standards, laboratory standards. Pipettes should be calibrated within 3 months to 6 months, but for me, I do calibration every month. Who knows, this pipette will fall down and it will affect also. If this pipette, every time it falls, it can make a big difference. Okay, so take care of your pipette. So guys, again, thank you for watching. I hope it helps you also. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and if you have time, please share. Okay, bye bye. God bless everyone.